Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to update TikTok app using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your App Store or your Play Store. Then just go ahead and search for TikTok. So now here, as you can see that I have the update button, right? So if you see that button, just go ahead and click on update. But if you see an open button, it means that your application is updated. So now I'm just gonna click on update button, and now my TikTok application is now updating. So you just need to wait for it, and once it is done updating, you can now watch or use your TikTok app. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.